Good afternoon, my name is Christine Binger. This is my Module 1 video for the EDL852 class. I am currently teaching at Kansas City Public Schools at East High School. I teach 11th grade English. I previously taught for 4 years out in Junction City, Kansas, 10th grade and Lit Lab. I am currently the Stuco sponsor for my school, which is proving to be difficult as we are just starting Stuco up again as it's been gone for a couple of years. I had some students that were interested, and so I decided to take on this challenge. My current leadership experience, in addition to a Stuco sponsor, would be PBL pilot representative. I attend conferences to promote PBL within my school and in my content area. I'm learning quite a bit in new developmental ways to teach this model. I often have found that professionally I've never been a head front leader, which leads to why I would rather be an assistant principal as opposed to a head principal, simply because I feel like the assistant principal gets more opportunity for hands-on experience and helping staff, students, and parents, whereas the head principal has to do a lot of the state's standard expectations and the board's expectations, and they get less time than an assistant principal with everybody else. And lastly, personal information. I'm planning a wedding this year, so it's very exciting. I'm getting married in June. I met my fiance working in Junction City, and we made a move to Kansas City. Another piece of additional information is this year I'm struggling a lot because my students are 100% low SES, so every single student has needs, and it's hard coming from a school where it was about 70 and 75% low SES, and you could kind of pick and choose your battles, whereas here it seems every kid needs something, and it's really hard to differentiate when you can help and when you have to stop helping because you exert yourself so much. So that's proving to be a big struggle for me this year. I look forward to getting to know everybody through this experience and learning as much as we can. Thank you.